another video. I joined one of my favorite studios, which is Try Yoga. I was going to different ones more near my house, but actually, you know, I think it's important if something really motivates you, just do that. And I'm really motivated by going there, so I started, just signed up. I was just like, let's just do it. Try Yoga was the first place I went to when I came to London, because my boyfriend at the time went there, so we went there together. We went to Soho, and I don't know, it was always a really good experience, and it feels a bit more, I don't know, like there's more variety of people than in other places, and there's less pretentiousness. It's more New York, I think. It's just more multi-cultural, and people are really serious about it. A lot of people don't like it because it's full of yoga teachers, which sometimes it is, and I don't like that either. It can be a bit much, but generally I like it. And now I'm gonna go through the art shop because I've been sketching a lot for the jewellery collection, and I keep needing more things. I need to pick up a compass, I need to pick up like more watercolor brushes. I didn't know the importance of watercolor brushes, jeez. It's just a game changer. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. And I wasn't sure what to wear, so I've ended up with a really eclectic outfit. I have sandals because they're the most comfortable. I have my Ensa Costa knitwear dress, my Olivia von Halle pyjama, and where's the jacket from? I showed you this jacket when I bought it. I've been wearing it in London. I like it. So I have now finished my manifesto. I've made a video, music, done a remix, I've done a film with my diamond dust print. So that's another thing that I have going on. I'll show you soon. I'll probably put it in my artist account. I've decided after a lot of thought, I want my rings to be practical. You know how I said that I was going to make gemstone rings, and that is an idea, and I'm sure I can do it, but I kind of prefer to have the bigger gemstones in a pendant, and they're not even going to be very big, but you know, substantial gemstone like sapphires. And in rings I kind of want to do diamonds, just very small diamonds. So what you're gonna get is a heavy, solid piece, but that's really easy to wear. That's not gonna get caught on things, because the thing with gemstone rings, they can be kind of bulky and just hit them with things, and I just find them less practical. I prefer a piece that can be easier, that you can do yoga in, that you don't really have to take off to do any manual labor or cooking or anything. And the thing is, that's kind of difficult because that's going to be all about the detail. I haven't really been finding many producers. I'm meeting with so many designers, but I haven't really found the level that I want. I am loving this Goop jeans stuff against all pronostic. I got it in a sample, so I didn't pay for it. These are 5 sachets, so I'm gonna try it for 5 days. Actually, I got 1 in a sample, and then I ordered the 5-pack. So I did order it because I like it so much, and because I want to give it a chance. And just with 1 it's impossible. With 5 we shall see. The 30 days series costs about £80, which is just so much money. But I mean, I don't know, maybe it's similar to one of those really hardcore hair supplements or stuff. And I'm interested in collagen at the moment. Of course, I'm always really unsure about these supplements, because when you take collagen through your mouth, it's going to your stomach, where it's going to be attacked by all the stomach acids. So to what extent is that turning into collagen in your skin? I have no idea. According to this person, there's several science tests that corroborate its efficacy, but we shall see. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know, it's really nice. And the taste, I've heard in reviews, people hate it, but I actually love it. And that's one of my favorite things about it. It tastes like artificial vanilla cake. I just wanted to show you more of these K-Jack sandals that I'm loving lately. These are so cute. They are tiny. I'm gonna order a size more, but I love them. They're so beautiful. I want a bit more space in my feet. I'll tell you the name of these ones. This is the Erga. And they're just very, very elegant, and they have enough of a sole. So they feel very solid. Really good quality. I've been wearing the other ones I have for ages, and they've even gotten wet and stuff. They don't look the best anymore, but they're very resilient.